Hello kids! So today we are going to learn about good touch and bad touch. So basically let's divide it into three categories. Good touch or safe touch. The next category is okay to touch. And the third one is bad or unsafe touch. Acha, so how do you feel when mama hugs you or papa gives you a good night kiss or when your grandparents hold you in their arms? We feel so good, right? We feel nice and warm. We feel safe and protected. That is called good touch. When your teacher pats your back, it's a good touch. Safe touch comes from the doctor during a doctor visit for a tummy ache or a checkup. Your friend holding your hands while playing or an arm around your shoulder while talking to you without hurting you is an okay touch. But when a stranger or a known person touches you strangely, touches your cheeks, chin or lips without your permission, how do you feel? We feel very uncomfortable, right? That is called bad touch. So in simple words, good touch is physical contact that you are comfortable with and bad touch is physical contact that makes you uncomfortable. Clear everyone? So now that you understood, let's move on to our next point. Do you know that we all have private areas in our bodies? When someone intentionally touches us in these four places, lips, chest, between the legs and butt, it is wrong. This is called bad touch and we should never allow this. Swimsuit rule. Parts which gets covered when you wear a bathing suit. Bathing suits cover the parts of our bodies that are meant to be private and are not for others to touch. You are the boss of your body, so you have a control of who touches your body and how. Understood, right? Very good. Point 3. What to do when someone touches you in the wrong way? Say no. Tell that person that you don't like it and you don't want to be touched even if it is from a familiar person. You should shout as loudly as possible. Never stay alone with that person ever again. Point 4. Most importantly, if the person is not letting you to go or holds you tightly, then try to bite the person with maximum force, raise alarm and run very fast to place with many people. Call for help. You can scream. You are not doing anything wrong. And kids, don't be scared. Point 5. Whom to complain in case you are inappropriately touched? Either to elder siblings, parents, grandparents, doctor, teacher, principal or anyone you are close to. If someone touches you and then tells you to keep it a secret, that is an unsafe touch or a danger touch. Just because we keep certain parts of our bodies private, that does not mean that what happens to those body parts should always be kept private. No. So children, we have some safety rules to follow. Are we ready? Yes. So chalo. Never rely on any person outside the family. Don't allow anyone to touch you without your permission, especially strangers. It is not okay to touch someone else's private body parts. It is not okay for someone to touch his or her own private body parts in front of you. It is not okay for someone to ask you to touch his or her private body parts. It is not okay for someone to ask you to take your clothes off except if there are a doctor helping to see if you are hurt or sick. It is not okay for someone to take photos or videos of you with your clothes off. It is not okay for someone to show you photos or videos of people without their clothes on. You can decide who can touch you, who can kiss you or who can give you a hug. You have the right to say no loudly and clearly and you have the right to have your feelings respected and protected. So kids, hope you learned a very important topic today. Hope you liked this quick session. Now you may hand over this video to your parents as I have something to speak to them as well. There is no reason to constantly fear for the safety of your child. However, as long as the likelihood of danger remains, you must educate your child about the various kinds of touch they can experience. An unwanted touch can appear in any form, and it need not be limited to sexual abuse. Even something as mild as hug or caress from relative might be unwanted. It does not matter if the touch seems fine to you. It matters only if your child is comfortable with it. Further, small children are naturally trusting adults around them and will extend friendships towards strangers without any qualms. It is up to you as the parent to ensure they understand the basic concept of self-preservation. We should start teaching young children about good touch and bad touch to help prevent more damage, as it is a high time and an alarming situation to parents to come in action. Remember, awareness is power. Thank you.